Yeah, Eja. In Wura no home. When no kahuna sometimes most of the time some your concrete slab and a roof a leak, you know. Yeah, they be a film. So that we give the best to our clients. Hello family. Today is another day as we continue the dampness treatment for this project right in Amasaman TV3 area. So let's go in and see how far we have progressed. So Eja, you know what he's saying?
Oh,
you're fine. Oh, okay, yeah. So Chief, this project is actually for Engineer Ben, but I decided to bring Engineer Yasmin here so that she take over while the Ben go and take over another project because she lives closer to this location. So let's go. How do you see the project so far?
AJ, much cannot be said about this project. So far, our work always speaks for itself. So we don't have to say much about the work.
Okay.
The work itself will speak for us.
Yes.
As the motto always goes.
Yes.
Our clients, their wish is our priority.
Yes.
So always we expect to deliver the best to the clients.
Yes.
And the application has been thoroughly been applied. Everything is quality.
Yes. So every client deserve the best, as I always say. Normally, dampness does not affect columns. You can see we have peeled off these columns. If you can see, the reason you have peeled off this column is that these columns have been affected, which means that the workmanship was very, very low. The ratio for this was too much. And this place too, there's a lot of salt in the soil. So if you are working in an area where there's a lot of soil in the soil, you have to make sure that your ratio is very, very rich. The cement have to be more than the sand. That's one major cause of dampness. Most of the time, when the contractors or the engineers give the bill to the client, let's say they are using 80 bags of cement, then the client will say, oh, it's too much, let's use 60. Now the 20 bags you have removed. No? Remember, they are going to increase the sand, which is going to reduce the quality of the work. So at the end of the day, when you are done, the building will look nice like this, but the structural aspects will be weak and poor. You understand? So this advice to every client. So let's go around the project and see how far we have gone. I really like the house. It's a very good house. Yes, but the salt content is too much, so it has made the structure weak and poor. So if you can see, the under here is wet. That's the power of the DPC. You see here, the down here all are wet, but here is dry. You understand? So the DPC is preventing the moisture content and the salt content from rising into this new work. You understand? After we have treated the whole of this, yes. So that's what we are doing. Engineer Yasmin. So that's what we are doing. Okay, that's what we are doing here. So as I always say, every client deserves the best. And you can see we are doing the cross-cut section method. We are placing our DPC. The DPC has entered into the property. When you go inside and you see it, when we do A, we leave B to protect the structure and to maintain the structural integrity. Then we come to C.
Pause.
So as I always say, yes, when we do A, we leave B, then we come to C. To protect the structural integrity so that no failure occurs, and when we are done, the building maintains its structural integrity. So as we said, we don't cut columns, but we have a way of treating the columns. So you can see the whole under here is wet. Zoom it for them. Come closer. Come very close. Can they see? See, Engineer Yasmin, can you see?
It's very wet. You can see that the water has been penetrating through the blockwork.
This thing has prevented it from extending here. That's the power of the DPC. Yes. And we have a way of applying the DPC. It's not just about, because I said it in my video, you think I'll go and buy it and do it yourself. Don't try it at home. And if there is a team working on there and there's no engineer, it's a risk they are taking. The building will collapse. So that's what we are doing. We are still on it. So we did here to left this session. So you see we have folded it here. We will extend it. We have a technique, we have a trick, we have the methodology, we have the strategy, the precision of carrying out this process. So you can see the wall. Yes. So actually, we want to give the client, every client deserves the best. That's what we do. So this place, we have worked on it. It's left to replaster the wall. It's left to replaster the wall. Yes. As I said, anytime we are treating dampness, we don't cut any service line. So when I talk about service lines, I mean the electrical connections, the plumbing connections, the electrical, the plumbing, the air conditioning connections. They are the what? The services. So the plumbing works are safe. Come here, the electrical works are all safe. The air conditioning are all safe. So my guy, come and let us show them something right here. So engineer, a lot of people ask, is it true that we cut under the whole wall? Does it penetrate? Yes. So see my hand. It's coming to enter here. You see my hand has entered, it has gone.
So when you are at the back of the building, you could see.
Yes. You understand? It has entered. That's what we do. We cut, but we do it in sections so that no collapse occur. You understand? That's why I said these works are for engineers. No team should try it at home. Not even the client. You understand? If you try to solve it, you are taking a full risk. Of course, I'm not to be blamed. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to do quality work for you. So that's what we are doing for this. So you see, these are the plumbing services. They are all safe. None of them is cut because you have a special team that tackle this. I have a team of cutting only. I have a team of chiseling only. I have a team of treating only. I have a team of plastering only. That's why you are seeing Engineer Yasmin here, because she is expert in monitoring the plastering works. So when it comes to plastering and finishes, I bring her here to take over, while Engineer Ben also take over new projects. So you can come inside, let them see. So we have the chief mason here. The chief mason's name is Simon. He's a very hard-working gentleman. So he is doing the plastering work, and you can see, come and let them see, very neat plastering that he's doing. Very perfect work. He does a perfect work, you understand? He does a perfect work. He does a perfect work. He does a perfect work, as you can see. So let's go inside. So go and tackle your dampness place, okay? So this is the inside here too. So if you can see, let them come and see. This is the DPC serving as a barrier. We are done treating this wall. We have replastered it nicely. So as we are working, we are cleaning the place, because every client deserves the best.
That's
you understand?
Our motto.
Yes, every client deserves the best. So let's go inside and see how we tackle the inside too. Engineer Yasmin. So a lot of people are afraid that their building will collapse. I always tell them blocks works are not part of the structural works.
It's the columns.
Yes, it's the columns, the beams, and the slabs. So this particular thing is called column. What people call it pillar. These are what hold the building. This is a beam. This one, and we have a length here. The column, the beam, and the slab.
This supports the slabs.
Yes, they come to form one component to hold it. So you can decide to remove all these blocks and use this glass. The building will still stand. That's the power of engineering. You understand? So this project is currently in Amasamai. Yeah, court area. Let's come inside and see. So come inside, let them see how the process is. So we are giving it a perfect plastering too. So let's go to this side. So what we are coming to do now is, you see, if you can see, we have cut under successfully. My hands are going outside. So we are done with this session. So normally you don't have to cut the DPC. You just have to roll it, so that when you are continuing, just roll it back like this. So you see, we'll just continue it like this. Then when we have electrical problems, we have way of working around those places. So this is the DPC. You understand? We are going to place it, but before we place it, roll it back. Before we place it, we have to make sure that
roll it back.
We have to make sure that we treat the ground too. So I have to roll it fast. We have to make sure that not just placing the mortar we use are all treated mortar, not just the ordinary mortar you guys use. There are chemicals in it because the wall is. Then I spray the floor with chemical. You understand? You have to spray the floor. Chief, hold it for me. Let me pump it in. Happy. Watch yourself. So we'll spray the floor before we spray the treated mortar. What you are seeing is a chemical. It's going to form as a sealant.
It's not just an ordinary water.
Yes.
It has been mixed with chemicals and it is our secret.
That's why I say you can watch our video, but it's not everything that we show. There are so many things involved. Even how to work around this pipe, we have a way of doing it. Those ones, so I don't show it. The little mistake you do, everything will be cost 90. Turn it, go under the block like this way. So there's a lot of things involved in treating the dampness. We are ready to serve you. We are ready to give you the best of services. This is what we do. We stand for quality. We stand for safety. We stand for durability. We stand for giving clients value for money. That's what we do. So if you want our services, you can call us on 055 011 2634. Let's come and give you the best of service. So let's take the last walk. Okay? Let's take a last walk. Let's take a last walk. So family, this is one of the team. And if you are ready for us, we are also ready for you. You can call us, as you know, our hotline for us to come and do our site visit, do a test, take our measurements, and prepare a bill for you so that prepare yourself. Engineer, so what do you have for our clients? Any advice for them?
Oh, we are always ready for you. Whatever problem that you're facing concerning dampness, we are always ready.
And not
Home
only
construction,
dampness.
we
Yes.
also build.
We also
build. We
design.
also do innovative works.
Yes, we design and we build. So we are ready for you. This is Hawk Construction Company Limited. Contact us for all your construction works and safety measures. We love you. Stay blessed.
Bye-bye.
Bye.